Right now, we're diving into the next part of creating your what I call value foundation. It's identifying and defining your expertise. And this is all about what you've been doing professionally, the extensive knowledge, skills, and mastery that you've acquired through experience, education, and also through continuous learning. So let's start with a solid definition of expertise. A few years ago, I found an excellent description which I continue to use to this day, but I can't find back who actually wrote it. But it goes something like this. Expertise is the extensive knowledge, skill, and mastery in a specific field or subject matter acquired through experience, education, and continuous learning. It signifies a high level of competence and the ability to effectively apply that knowledge to solve complex problems, make informed decisions, and contribute valuable insights to the domain. On the other hand, the Cambridge Dictionary simplifies it significantly to a high level of skill or knowledge. Think about your own expertise. It's probably listed in your resume or on your LinkedIn profile. You might see phrases like, I possess extensive expertise in ... or with a proven track record in, or I excel in, or I bring a wealth of experience in. But remember that your true expertise often lies in a specific subcategory of what you've written. For example, instead of just being a finance expert, which is so big and so broad, you might be an expert in investment analysis, tax optimization, or corporate financial planning. Your experience is like a goldmine of knowledge and experience you've collected over the years. It's all the stuff that you've learned from your education, from working your career and mastering your craft. The challenges you've faced and conquered, the skills you've polished, and the unique way you see things. That's your expertise, and it's extremely valuable. So we will utilize your expertise by combining it with your natural talents and passions that we've discussed in the previous lectures to find a path that aligns with your values. Now, let's get hands-on with an exercise to uncover your expertise.